use yours. I don't know how to use mine. Oh, don't take it. Don't take it. Don't straight for me, bro. It's okay. Hey everyone, so basically welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm the International Medic. I'm in my clinical comms room, and today I'm just going to do a quick video on what you call a stethoscope unboxing. So I'm just going to open it, react to it with my friend Pira right here.
Hi guys.
Yeah, so we're both doing medicine together, Bruno. So basically we're just going to quickly react and maybe discuss as to why we got the certain colors we got or the type of stethoscopes we got. I'm afraid, you know. But anyway,
You know what's inside?
I don't even know. Mine seems empty. Like, wait, check yours. Okay, it's about the same thing.
Lightweight.
Yeah.
To be honest.
Okay, guys, so we're just gonna go straight into it. You go first. you
Yeah?
go first. All right.
Or we're not just gonna count down.
Okay. Count out. One,
Okay,
3, 2, 1. Wait. Da. Whoa. Bro, you have some advanced stuff, man.
What is this?
Now, see, this is what I got. Basically, that's just me. You let me show Pierre so it.
Yo, this is some serious drip though.
Yeah. Some lovely accessory. Well, where's the other stuff? I said
Yeah. I have is that an otoscope?
an otoscope.
Here?
He got an otoscope. Like, this is professional. It's like,
I just got blessed, man. I don't know why. I think we ordered from the same site.
yeah. Wait, where'd you order yours from?
Medi, UK?
Many UK. I think I used the website the school offered to us. But yo, this is a whole otoscope, like the batteries, everything. He's ready to go into surgery as of right now, if he wants to.
I hope not. Patience?
Yeah. Just to save the patient's life.
I gave him the whole stylus pen as well.
Stylus pen. Oh, really? Good. Like, I just got.
Oh, sorry guys.
Straight
It's
airport.
MediSave. I want to make sure that plug is correct. It's MediSave.
Yeah, so MediSave, this is a good time to sponsor my friend Pira, because right now he's representing your brand.
Yeah, come at your boy.
God, your boy.
I'll send my link in the description.
Just write it down. Wow, I just got a manual. So, yeah, I mean, mine is straightforward. Unfortunately, or simple. But I got this as well. So it's a pouch.
Oh, okay.
So I thought it to be the same color as this. That's the plan. But it is what it is. I got that. So, I feel so because I've never seen anyone with a pouch, you know. Yeah, I don't know if it's needed though. Like, did I need to spend money on it? Well, I guess I'll find out. Yeah, I have it now. I mean, it looks cool. I mean, it feels like you said it's compact. I can put everything inside there and just carry it around. I don't need to like just drop it in my bag and then start searching through my bag for my stethoscope. So yeah, if you're thinking of getting stethoscopes, these are different accessories that might come with it, depending on where you buy it from. Pira, why did you get that color?
So blue is my favorite color. It's very tranquil, very calming. I've always resonated with this color. I don't know if that's because I'm a Pisces or a
Okay.
sign.
Alright, get your signs
Yeah,
out.
don't ask me for my moon rising and whatnot, but yeah, it's. I'm glad it came out great. I also decided to go with like the matte finish
Oh really?
on the ends. Just gives it a nice touch.
Yeah, I see that.
And yeah, I'm not sure if you
You get your name
did you get your engraving. Yeah.
Yeah, I got mine
Book
engraved
that
as
right now,
well.
too.
Where's
So-
yours? Oh, okay.
This is my first. I had to shorten my last name. 'Cause
Yeah.
Otherwise, you know, Sri Lankan names, they probably similar to the Nigerians. If we were to put our entire government name, man, I don't think they
Nah,
have space.
they charge us 1K just for like engraving your name. Like, nah, it's funny because it's like we got our names engraved like around there. So just right about there. That's where we got our names engraved. So yeah, how do I put this on? Is it just like that?
So, just,
Yeah.
you can't really mess up. It's
Yeah.
one under the other, but it looks good. It looks good.
Really, sir? You like the color?
You went with the matte black too?
I
Or
think
like
so.
A regular black, yeah.
I think it's just regular. I'm not sure. But what you say about the color though? What do you think? What are you
I
saying?
rate it. I rate it.
You sure?
It's definitely the color of Scrubs.
Yeah, definitely. If I
Most
yeah.
popular color for Scrubs. So.
Wait, Scrubs. What's the blue? I think different, basically different like specialties wear different scrubs, right?
Very true.
So what specialty do you think wears this scrub?
But I always associated
with
scrub
the
color
general,
with that, like light blue turquoise.
yeah. If you watch like what you call it, Grey's Anatomy, they always wear this like literally. So you know what? I'm ready to go into Grey's Anatomy right now.
Yes.
Surgery, let's go. But what's it? Your blue already goes with what you're wearing already, so that looks really nice. It looks really nice on you, bro. So let's see. What you rating your whole stethoscope from MediSave out of 10? Do you recommend it for other people?
Yes, I would totally recommend it. I think we got a discount through the BMA as well. From what I remember, it's about 20%.
Yeah, I still have my discounts. If you need it, hit me up.
Yeah, so I'd give it a proper 10 out of 10, bro.
10 out of 10.
I have no issue. I haven't tested the acoustics out yet.
Yeah, did you know how to test it out?
A little bit.
Yeah, a little bit. Let's see. So this is the clinical communication suite where we actually practice to be clinical doctors by talking to patients or actors that act as patients. So let's say I'm your patient today. So let's try it out.
You want to try some on me or?
No, I don't know how to do it, bro. It's up to you. You use yours. I don't know how to use mine. Oh, don't take it. Don't straight for me, bro. It's okay. You use yours and then. Okay, so based on anatomy, where should we be going to feel the heartbeat?
So the heart will be.
You have to count the
your
ribs,
left
yeah.
side, but
I can't. Yeah, we just started medicine, so please take it easy on us. We don't know anything yet. It's literally like week 3 or something, but it's meant to be around here somewhere, I think.
yeah.
So
Do I go under your shirt? Do you give me consent?
that's the right way to do it. I believe. Yeah, I give you consent to go over a shirt.
Okay, you sure?
Yeah. Go.
Just under your shirt.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm gonna be cancelled.
Wait, no, that's too high. It's not meant to be
Yeah.
down here.
I'm just honestly gonna go with the floor. Oh yeah.
You can hear it. Try going down. Like around here.
I can faintly hear it down there, but you wanna hear it?
No, I don't mind.
I don't care. Your brother.
Yeah, I can hear the low. Yeah, so that's
cool,
that's mic check. So that's a mic check. So that we're sure that works perfectly fine. So yeah, and that's the part that you're meant to put on the patient's chest, right?
This is for the smaller children.
So okay, small children. I didn't know
I think
that.
this is the pediatric
And
this is for adults.
Okay. So yeah, I think that's it. This is what do you call it? Stethoscopes. I think that's it for today. What do you have prescribed? What do you have inscribed on yours?
Just my name.
Just your name.
First and last name. Yeah.
Okay, I put my doctor and my last name.
Oh, okay. You just manifested it.
Manifesting him, man. Manifesting him, man. I have no choice but to call me doctor now. But yeah, thank you, everyone. Thank you for coming, bro.
No problem.
I appreciate
My pleasure,
it.
bro.
Thanks so
Always.
much. Yeah, thank you very much for tuning in.